With the stock market at all-time highs, people are going to be angry with their IFAs and fund managers for one of two reasons. Either they're going to be angry because they're paying a lot of money away for something that they could have just done themselves anyway. The market's at all-time highs anyway. Or they're going to be angry at them because they're not getting the kind of returns that they could have got from, I don't know, tracking the NASDAQ 100, which is up some 48%. Now, Micron, okay, up nearly 500% in a year, but you'd never have put all your money in it. We didn't. I didn't. I wasn't smart enough to put all my money in it. You're going to have a portfolio with 2.5% to 5% in individual securities because you want to mitigate against the risk that instead of rising 500%, an individual stock might fall. So really, you're looking at the downside protection. And the way we look for downside protection to ensure that we get the highest growth companies is, first of all, we get a big fishing net. Okay. So we are looking at all those companies which can go in our SIP, ISA, or if you're in the US, 401k, and so on. If you're in New Zealand, wherever you've got your pension plans. And that means all listed American companies, all listed European companies, all listed UK companies for us. And then what we do is we filter down to ensure that they're not overly valued. In other words, the profits per share are not excessively high compared to what they've been historically, compared to what their trend is, that they're growing in terms of profits and in terms of revenue growth, and that their stock price has consistently rebounded from fall. So if anything, we'd buy the dip on a fall rather than a fall could persist and continue. And even then, with all of that belt and braces insurance policy, we still don't bet on just one company which might meet those criteria. We will have 2.5% to 5% in 20 to 40 securities. It's actually pretty easy. If you want to learn how to do it, go to alpeshpatel.com. It really is simple. Spend a life through my Financial Times columns, even through being a hedge fund manager, writing in the FT, writing my books, doing my TV broadcasts on Bloomberg, on the BBC, to make sure people appreciated and understood they can do this themselves, and they should not let the fund management industry strip them of a retirement, strip them of growth, strip them of fees. alpeshpatel.com. Tons of free content there to help you, and you can even book a call with us to have a simple explanation of where you're going wrong at the moment.